Good evening, everyone, and hopefully you got outside and enjoyed some of that cooler temperatures today, as we're going to be seeing some very humid and hot conditions coming up ahead. And there also is a possibility for some severe threat into tomorrow as well. Now, looking at the temperatures right now, we're seeing very comfortable air, 66 in Rochelle, 67 in Mount Morris, and 68 over in Stockton, and 65 in Monroe. So very comfortable night here again. So open the windows, put it on the fan. It will be a very nice night. So temperatures are going to drop a little bit lower into the 50s, 59 degrees with calm conditions. And then tomorrow we flip into the hot and humid air, and the temperatures will get into the 80s, 89 degrees with partly sunny skies and late morning into afternoon showers as well. Now, we are keeping an eye out on this system, and this could move north or south, and it all depends on whether all these ingredients come together to give us this situation. But this is just one possibility of a storm happening at around lunchtime, so adjust your plans as needed. And because of that, we are seeing a category 2 out of 5 for our severe threat for tomorrow from the SPC. Now, because of that, we could be seeing some hail, large hail, damaging wind, and even a possibility of a tornado. Now, this isn't definitely happening. It's just here because we know that all of the ingredients are in place but haven't come together just yet. So we're just keeping you weather aware. So make sure you do have multiple ways to get your weather alerts, have a weather radio, and even have our app up to date. Charge your phones and even adjust your plans. Cancel your lunch plans instead, even though we have some hot temperatures coming in as well. So we're seeing these high temperatures in the 90s with the muggy air for most of the next week, with the possibility of seeing some triple-digit heat indices coming up into the next couple of days. And that's why we are also seeing another warning ahead of that. This is a heat advisory for parts of the state line, except for Joe Davies and Stevenson County, and we're going to be seeing possibly temperatures getting into the 90s with those heat indices into the hundreds. For example, look at Tuesday. You can see temperatures in the 90s, 99 degrees, and making that heat index in the hundreds. Very, very humid air here, so do take it easy for the next couple of days. Monday, we see temperatures in the 80s, but then we get into the 90s, and we finally cool down for our city market on Friday, 83 degrees for your most accurate 10-day forecast. We see a little bit of a break from the hot air, but we also have the more 90s coming in right behind that for next week. Eric, back over to you.